Then Krishna says 41, 42, Prapya punya kritam lokam ushitva shasvati sama. Prapya punya kritam lokam ushitva shasvati sama. Suchinam shimatam gehe yoga brashya vijayataya. So that's it. Prapya punya kritam lokan ushitva shasvati samaha. Suchinam shimatam gehe yoga brashto vijayate. He who has fallen from the bhakti yoga attains heaven. So you'll go to heaven and have a good time. For a long time. Then you'll be born again in a pious aristocratic family. Or, if you really luck out, you may be born into a family of wise transcendentalists. Rare is such a birth in this world. Either way, it's a good deal. The neophyte bhakti yogi, he will take, after he exhausts his punya on the heavenly planets, he'll take birth in a family that provides him economic freedom or a pious situation to which he can pick up where he left off in his spiritual practice. Many of the Western devotees that joined Prabhupada were just like this. They were born in such a situation that they never had to work, and they could immediately, as soon as they could, take up the bhakti. Buddhi samyogam lavate purvadehikam. This is for it. Buddhi samyogam lavate purvadehikam. Purvabhya sena riyate yavasha. Sa. Purva abhyasena riyate yavasha. This is 40. So he regains the subtle body or the buddhi of his prior body. It's very far out. It takes 43. So Krishna is telling, what happens to the devotee who doesn't go to the spiritual world to Brahma Vrindavan, take birth from the womb of Gopi? He gets this. Buddhi yogam labate purva dehikam. Deha means sharir. Purva means your previous birth. You attain, in this life you have you're cultivating the intelligence of a devotee and thinking like a devotee and desiring and willing and acting like a devotee. That buddhi, that discrimination. Accept everything favorable for Krishna's pleasure. Reject everything unfavorable. This is devotional buddhi, devotional discrimination. Everything for the satisfaction and pleasure and happiness of Krishna. Accepted and done and executed with a favorable mind and a happy, joyful heart. Anyabhilashita shunyam jnana karmadi anavritam anukulyena krishnanu shilanam bhakti uttama. This is Uttam Bhakti. So Krishna is saying in 643 of Gita, Buddhi yogam labate purva deyakam. In the next life you'll get this good intelligence to be a devotee and think like a devotee. It will come to you. Krishna will give it to you. Krishna is telling. Buddhi samyog. Buddhi samyog lavate. That intelligence which fully connects you with me, that intelligence which fully connected you with me in your purva dehikam, in your prior life, you'll get in the next life. So this is Krishna's telling. So this is our answer what happens to devotee. All these things are happening.